My client came in for a virgin relaxer and haircut, which I'll be doing after the relaxer service. Disclaimer, if relaxers trigger you, then please do not watch this video. Thank you. Anyway, I've gotten my assistant to base her scalp and then I'm applying the relaxer now. She just wanted something different. You know, she's been natural for a while and it's actually just hair. It will grow back, and when she wants to change her mind, she's allowed to do that also. So I've finished relaxing her hair and here she's showing me what length she wants. So I did a little consultation. I kind of do consultations as I go as well. So that was just to see how short she wants to go. Clients are usually a bit nervous when going quite short. So I find that when a client isn't 100% sure about the length, I do start off a little bit longer than I probably would want it to be, since I can always go shorter. But because, you know, once you cut the hair, we can't put it back. So yeah, we don't want that. So I'm kind of done cutting the hair and then I'm going to blow dry it. So here I'm just blow drying her hair. Just back to what I was saying about people who are natural. Some people, they do silk presses and it lasts for ages. But then for some people, it just doesn't. And, you know, for some, it's just like, why am I going to keep putting heat on my hair and kind of getting that heat damage? Maybe I don't want to actually heat train my hair. So everyone's just different. So I just feel like let people do what they want, you know? Anyway, so I blow dried it, and usually when I blow dry it is kind of when I do check the cut. So here you can see I'm cleaning up the cut, really checking as well to see if it's the length I want, making sure everything's even. It's very, very important to check the cut. Like, you know, I would never let my client walk out the door and not check the haircut. So yeah, this is pretty much what she wanted. She had shown me a picture, by the way, and yeah, so here I'm using my good old Taupe Tools hair straighteners, which you can find on our website, taupetools.com. And I'm just tracing her hair to kind of give it a nice style. It came out so lovely. I really liked it. And it was very sleek and just very chic, you know? I was tracing her hair, checking the cut again. Like literally, I'm very, very anal when it comes to haircuts, I know. But I love a precise haircut. I'm just like that. So we're just tidying up her edges, making sure everything looks good, you know, the finishing. And here is the final look. As you can see, she's very happy. It's literally exactly what she wanted. So I'm happy. Added some finishing spray. And yeah, this is the look. What do you guys think? Let me know. I know everybody always asks where we're based, but we're actually based in Lagos, Nigeria, Victoria Island to be precise. For any bookings, all of that, or for you guys coming to Lagos in December, make sure you check us out. All of the links are in our bio. Thanks for watching. Bye.